Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope that you found this chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Thirukkural is a timeless work of literature that continues to offer valuable lessons and wisdom to people of all ages and backgrounds. Thirukkural, a timeless Tamil literary work, is filled with valuable life lessons and pearls of wisdom that are still relevant to this day. Today, we will be exploring one of its profound verses that teaches us the significance of surrendering ourselves to the divine. Those who surrender themselves at the feet of the One, who resides in the flower-like hearts of all, will live long and well. This verse from Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of surrendering ourselves to the divine and how it can bring us prosperity and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, we often forget to take a moment and connect with our inner selves and the divine. We get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, and we forget that surrendering ourselves to the divine can bring us peace and contentment. When we surrender ourselves to the divine, we let go of our worries and fears and trust in a higher power. We acknowledge that we are not in control of everything, and that there is a greater force at play. Thirukkural teaches us that when we surrender ourselves to the divine, we are tapping into a source of infinite love and compassion that can heal our souls and bring us joy and happiness. Surrendering ourselves to the divine also means serving others with kindness and compassion. When we help those in need, we are serving the divine. Meditation and prayer are powerful tools that can help us connect with the divine and find inner peace and clarity of mind. By taking time to connect with our inner selves and the divine, we can live a long and fulfilling life. In conclusion, the verse "Those who surrender themselves at the feet of the One, who resides in the flower-like hearts of all, will live long and well" is a powerful reminder that surrendering ourselves to the divine can bring us peace, contentment, and prosperity. Let us all strive to connect with our inner selves and the divine and serve others with kindness and compassion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural.